Alright, so I'm making this video just to kind of explain stocks in an easy way. And I just wanted to show you guys that it's really not even complicated to get into. And I'm going to give you a few simple ways to actually join. You can actually join through two easy brokers, Robinhood and or Webull. There's more options out there, but these are they're free to join, low commissions when you buy a share, and then if you use my link, that should be either in my bio on Instagram, or if you just message me for it, or if you found this video on YouTube, just click the link in the description for it. Once you sign up for either, you actually get a free share of any stock. I don't mean like any one that you pick. They give you like a random stock like Amazon, Apple, Ford, Sprint, anything like that. You just get like a random stock pick, and you can share it and actually get more shares of stocks. So, personally, I go through Robinhood mainly for the fact that they have crypto options as well. They have, but at the same time, Webull will have certain options that Robinhood won't. So, nothing wrong with getting both. And basically, I'm just gonna kind of go over the app a little bit. Basically, you can go through Canada, the United States. There's other global. Oh wait, I guess they have crypto now too, and forex, mutual funds, ETFs. So there's more options available to you if you want to take advantage of that now. It's been a while since I've opened this, and you can do certain trades. So, um, as for the watch list, you can add to it. All you really have to do, all stocks is to explain it, the definition. When you purchase a stock, you are purchasing ownership in a company. So keep that in mind. When you buy it, you get voting rights into company decisions as well. But overall, you're buying a part of. So when they actually grow in value, as they make more money, the more you should be able to theoretically make. But what a lot of people don't really know is all markets do have their times where they actually fluctuate. So that's why it's typically good, where I recommend like learning chart patterns and stuff like that, like through like TradingView. But actually, it's good to get like mentorship and stuff like that too, to actually learn stuff like this, where you can actually see the patterns. This is currencies, so this is a bit different, but all the charts are pretty much the same. So let me go to Amazon just to show you. So yeah, it's not much different. They just open a bit less longer than compared to the others. Compared to Forex, it's just open early in the mornings or in the week. So like I believe 6 to 12. You have that time to actually purchase, but you can purchase them while the markets are closed. But you can try to analyze using, when you're like checking out a chart, a perfect opportunity to actually buy. So this is a chart's a little bit different on here, but I'm pretty sure you can change it to candlesticks. Let me pause the video and figure that out. Alright, so if you're on the phone, it gives you the option to switch to an advanced mode. So it's off to the side, you can draw on the charts, you can do a bit of everything, but honestly, I believe TradingView is a bit better for this because you have more options as far as marking the charts, but this is a more advanced method if for more seasoned traders. If you're getting into that. Other than that, you can just try to buy it whenever you want and just hope that, and then just let it do its thing. Over time the value will go up if you've researched a really good company. That's a strong company, I should say. This is where you want to research your company, make sure they're, well, you can try to make sure they're reputable, but make sure they have a strong product, make sure they have, well, make sure you agree with it, I should say. But yeah, you want to pay attention to a bit of everything. So you want to pay attention to, let me screen, like the opening price for that day, high of the day, where it's been for the 52 weeks, where it's previously closed, the low of the day, and the lowest it's been, volumes of shares traded, market caps. You want to pay attention to a little bit of everything, but those are more the key things that you want to kind of look at in a stock. Other than that, you want to kind of check news. You want to, I say go through Google. That's typically where I go, but there's news focused on the shares that you're more into in most of these apps. And they typically have press releases like informing you of the company earnings. And there's analysts that typically let you know if it's been on a good trend, what it's been doing, basically just giving you financial information on the stock. If it's a good time, a strong time to buy, or a better time to sell, just hold. But if you're more into like day trading and more advanced stuff, you'll be able to kind of figure that stuff out on your own without any help from this stuff. Typically, I actually recommend that you actually learn how to do this stuff on your own, but it's all up to you. I mean, just typically you can just research it, but over time you just have to be able to leave it alone, like, and figure out what your income goal is for this. And you have to be willing to, I recommend being willing to leave this alone for like a year, 5 years, 10 years. You just look for a strong company that you believe that will grow in value for like a year or more. Something like, I won't give my bias on video for marijuana and all this other stuff, but yeah, there are plenty of companies out there that I believe that will grow for like 5 years or more. You just have to do your research, look for it, check financial statements, forecasts, balance sheets, bit of everything. Which this has over here too. Oh, and you can take your own notes. And yeah, there's plenty of opportunities out there. You just have to pick your market, stick to it, research hard. And then if you have any more questions as far as stocks, feel free to ask. And then if you want more details as far as education, feel free to ask.